guys, it's Gundidi, and I got something cool for you today. This is a product review on a reddot site from CVLife. Now, this will be into a series of videos doing some product review on this guy. Now, this is going to go right on the budget queen, so you will see her down the road checking out with the budget gun. And this goes right in that line of budget optics, budget parts for your firearms. Now, this guy is the WolfCovert from CVLife. Really cool little red dot. Now, full disclosure, CVLife did send this out to me for review, but they did not pay me for the review, nor do I get anything kickback if you guys buy it, or, you know, honestly, they don't even get to look at this video before you guys do. So this is just them sending me out a product to check out and see if you guys would enjoy buying them. Now, this is a budget red dot. It is in the RMR footprint, so this will fit most of your RMR footprint pistols, or, you know, it does come with that really neat rail mount, so you can mount it to your rifle. Now, this one is really cool because it has a top-mounted battery instead of a bottom-mounted battery, which means you don't have to mess with your zero in order to change out the battery, which is actually pretty cool. I like the features where it comes either on the top or on the side, because I like to, once my optics are zeroed, I don't like to mess with them. That's my personal opinion. But this is pretty cool. This is the Multi Reticle dot. This is the WolfCovert Multi Reticle. It's got two different buttons on here. They are for brightening and dimming, but they also change out the reticle. Let's see if I can get that on camera. Probably can't get the focus to work, but there's three different reticles. You have this one is the circle. Then you have, oh, wrong button. You have circle. You hold down it for about 3 seconds. It switches over to circle with a dot. And then you hold it down for 3 more seconds and it turns into just a dot. Me personally, I like just a dot because I have a little bit of astigmatism. So anything more than just a dot, it just turns into a big blurry dot anyway. So for me personally. But those who have a little bit better eyesight or have prescription shooting glasses, it is really cool that it has multiple different reticles for you. It is pretty neat. It is got adjustable ability on the top and the sides. It is a full metal casing. It's not polymer or plastic, so you don't have to worry about that. We are going to do some durability testing with this and see how she does. You can already see some nicks from the testing I have already done with it, but we're going to do some more durability testing. So there's going to be 2 more videos after this on this guy. First shots review, and then we're going to do some durability testing. But yeah, we want to see what it does. But what's really cool is inside the box you get the red dot with the rail mount. You get an optics plate for Glock MOS. So you guys who are running a Glock MOS, you don't have to worry about running different plates or whatever. This directly is for the MOS. We got multiple different screws for whatever pattern you need. They got tons of screws in this guy. I mean, there are more screws than I know what to do with in this. All right. And so inside the box, you get tons of screws. You get 2 different tools. You get the MOS plate. You also get the CVLife red dot with the optics mount. And you have a little cover, so you can throw a little cover on there and a little cleaning cloth. Now, it does come with the manual, which I'll have to show footage of me showing off the manual. It is a very nice manual. It's all color-coded and it goes over everything. But somehow I lost it. It happens. But nonetheless, there are a lot of really cool stuff inside the box with this guy. So if it performs as well as I think it might, as much as I've performed with it so far, it will actually be a good option for anyone looking for a budget red dot. Definitely something cool. Definitely something you guys should check out. If you guys want to get one for yourself, there is a link in the description. Like I said, it is not an affiliate link. It's just a link in the description for you guys, where you can check this guy out and get one for yourself. Guys, if you ever get a chance, definitely check out the CVLife WolfCovert from well, CVLife. Definitely something cool. And guys, this thing's a budget optic, and so far, doing pretty well. Definitely going to have to see how she does in some torture tests down the road. And, of course, stay tuned for my my first shots review of this guy. Guys, this is Gun Deity, and I will see you for the next one.
I got a God complex. Haters love to hate, but I never feel pressed. Got a lot on my plate, but I never get stressed. I'll take all the pressure like I'm acing this test. And like a damn Freemason, I'll run this nation. They call me a